Welcome! In front of me I have COLMI V31 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the F-Fit application. Once the devices are paired, we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the notifications to work. So, first let's open the settings on our iPhone by tapping on the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll all the way down, and at the bottom of the settings you should see the list of the applications installed on your iPhone. Find the F-Fit application on this list, tap on it, make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. Once it is, go back to settings, scroll all the way up, find the Bluetooth option, tap on it. In Bluetooth menu, find the V31-020C device, that's our watch, V31. And next to it, tap on the info icon. And here make sure that the share system notifications option is enabled. Once it's enabled, you can close the settings and open the F-Fit application on our iPhone. In the application, you should see the V31-020C and it should say synced. Now let's tap on the device and here tap on the notification option. And right here we can enable the notifications for different features and apps like calls. If you tap on the switch, it will enable it. SMS, WeChat, QQ, Skype, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Twitter, Line, Mail, and stuff like that. Enable the notifications for the apps you like. And once you're done, you can close the application. And at this point, you should be able to receive the notifications on your watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.